So this is the dry ingredients. So it's 2 cups of flour and then your seasonings. And you can add the salt to however much you want to make it taste good. So now we're gonna turn it on. So now that it's on, I'm gonna talk about the cast iron skillet. So cast iron is the best because it can hold its heat, because when you put the chicken in, the oil in the pan will lose its heat because of the chicken that just went in it. But the cast iron helps hold the heat so you don't lose all of your temperature that you're trying to keep. And speaking of temperature, the thermometer is here, and it's very important that the needle, if you're using this type of thermometer, isn't touching the skillet, because then that's obviously going to read way higher. So right now the oil's at 93, so just in the pan. So I'm going to actually add just a little bit more oil. So now we're going to wait for it to get up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While we're waiting, we can bread the chicken. So now I got my gloves on, so now we're going to bread the chicken. Drop it in. Put it down. So as I'm doing this, you want to make sure you don't have too much flour and you're just getting it all over. You kind of want to keep it all in your one bowl. Alright, so now I'm putting the chicken in just to fill this little thing as we're waiting for the oil to heat up. So now you're gonna go ahead and drop your chicken in. You don't want to just drop it in. You want to kind of ease it in so oil doesn't splash everywhere. You can go back and forth just to test the waters a little bit. All right, so now that we've made it, here's the sauce. Here's the chicken. And see how it tastes. That's some good chicken. That's like a 8.9 out of 10.